And today's video was inspired by a comment left by Savannah, in which she was heading to the thrift store to try to look for gifts. Now, this video is going to be short and sweet, and we are going to talk about the 5 top things you should pick up from the thrift store to save you money and provide you gifts that are good for your wallet and for the planet. The first thing I would recommend you look for are Lego pieces. These normally come in small bags or boxes, and it's good for people in your family, kids who love the open-ended play of Legos. You will need to clean the Legos, and it's a fairly straightforward process. I will leave a link in the description so you can follow along. Once they're all clean and dried, you can sort them, put them however you want so they're ready to gift. Once you have a fairly good collection of Lego pieces, I would recommend getting a few base plates. These are the flat structures where you can build Legos on. I think this just adds on to your gift and adds on to the usefulness of these secondhand and thrifted Lego pieces. You can buy these base plates virtually anywhere. Lego.com, Target sells them, as well as on Amazon, and linked below. The next thing I would have you consider are these IKEA Big boxes, or Lego boxes that allow you to store the Legos inside them, as well as they provide a base plate using the lid. And I think this is another way to gift these Legos because they're compact, easy to store, and it all comes in one package. So consider this as well. The next thing I would recommend picking up are these sacrificial plates. Basically, these are extra plates you have on hand at home for whenever you're invited to a party and you're bringing your own dish. It's sacrificial because it means you don't worry about leaving it behind. You can pick up a few based on the holiday, based on your style, just based on the fact that you have these extra to give away and you're not worried about ruining whatever set you have at home. And there's a lot of good finds at the thrift store, especially for Christmas and the holidays, in glass that allow you to still bring a nice presented food item to your next party and not have to worry about bringing back the dish. The next thing I'd recommend you pick up the next time you're at the thrift store are these baskets. Now you can get them in any shape or type, and there's so many uses for them. These baskets are so versatile. You can put gifts in it, you can put other thrift store finds in it, and they just make another presentable gift instead of wrapping paper or bags. And of course, there's other uses like putting a plant in or waste baskets. So the options are endless for these. The next thing I'd have you look for are vases. That way you have something to give to your recipients when you are giving flowers. They can be any shape and they can again elevate your gift. Sometimes when you're buying flowers, you may be paying extra for the vase. So instead, buy these inexpensive ones that you can reuse and gift with your beautiful flowers. I think your recipient will appreciate that they have something to put the flowers in. And the last thing I would consider picking up are teacups or mugs that you can reuse either to gift plants maybe that you've grown yourself, maybe some of your favorite herbs, or consider reusing these cups to put candles in, or find one of those fun ones that you can gift to someone who loves coffee, tea, or cocoa. I would love to know what top items you look for at the thrift store. Are you getting these to resell? Are you getting these for yourself? Or are you getting these to regift? Let me know in the comments. Let's give each other some ideas so the next time we do need an idea for a gift or something that we can use to repurpose, we have those ideas on hand. Don't forget, if you found this video helpful, to give it a like and share it with a friend. And subscribe to Sisters for Fi, where we cover content in personal finance, minimalism, sustainability, and motherhood. And if you want to learn more about your own spending triggers and how to reduce your consumption, this video on spending triggers might be helpful too. And I will see you next week for the next video. Bye!